morning, everybody. Top of the morning. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I think this one's gonna go on to the main channel. So what's good, everybody? What's good, main channel? I'm out here with Francisco, and we're gonna do a little bit of shopping today. So we're out here. This is like a Hawaii edition shopping video. I don't think you guys would believe me when I say it is pretty much impossible to find a hat like this out here on the island. They don't have a Nike. All the hat stores don't really have much. They got like stuff like this, but no dry fit hats. So if you guys have a store out here, you want to make some money, sell some dry fit hats, because we can't find any. Everybody take a quick look at the koi fish. Okay, we got an orange one. We got a white, orange, and black one, and we have a white and orange one.
Which one do you want?
I will take this one, sir.
All right.
Oh, and that's how you get kicked out of the mall. These are some beautiful fish. My God, look at you guys. Look at this one.
Oh, that's a big boy right there.
A big boy.
They be feeding you good.
Look at that. Koi fish are fire, guys. So beautiful. I like this one. This one's my favorite. We need a name for you. SINTB Junior.
So for the size 50 right here, it is $24.70. And this one, I believe it was size 55.
All right, guys, we're inside Louis Vuitton. Got to re-up on some materials for the Christmas season. So probably gonna get a duffel bag. There's this one over here. Might do maybe a special drop with this one. A little bit different from what I usually drop. But yeah, this bag is, I think it's like $2,100. This one's $2,400. And it's a little bit cheaper in Hawaii just because tax is a little bit cheaper. I think it's like 4%. So yeah, I'm gonna get this bag for sure. See if they got anything else. Expensive finds, man, expensive finds. Over here, they have a luggage tag wall. This is how the inside looks. I probably shouldn't be recording in here because that's how they are sometimes. But look, they got a little Hawaii thing right here. Oh. Sheesh.
Wait, does it get spicier inside?
I don't know, is it?
Alright, so now hyping it up.
Oh my God.
Oh.
That's disgusting. They also got a little vintage trunk here. I don't know how old this is, but you could tell. It's been weathered. Do not touch.
That means there's treasure inside, bro.
Quick update. Look at this huge ass box. We're about to get slow. Can you get this? About to get slow. One more. Oh, come on, bro. Nordstrom, Ala Moana. We got Fear of God hats right here. Just two left. 7/1/4, 7/1/8. And we're getting closer to the Nike dry fits too. We're getting closer, boys. We're getting closer. Almost there. Not really. That's like a kinda. It's a Nike Golf. It doesn't have that dry fit feel. But yo, carrying this thing, pro. How's it look, guys?
You got the riff raffs?
Yeah, the riff raff specials right here. This is what George Washington was sewing all his sneakers with. All the boot patchers and everything. Singers, baby. It's a little pedal right there. Got our wheel. No belt on this one. Needle, foot. Pretty sick. Even the newer machines, they keep the same style, so it's cool to see this. Okay, so we're trying to look for the car now, and I don't know where the hell we parked at. I'm gonna show you guys a life hack though. If you think you're in the general vicinity, you take the key and you put it up to your chin, and you click, and you should be able to get better reception. Uh-oh. Damn it. Yo, we're nowhere close. I'm gonna look at the first vlog footage. All right, 20 minutes later, quick update. We retraced our steps from the first clip. So the car should be around here on this level. Oh. Yeah! All done with the mall pickups. We're about to stop by, say what's up to the homies over at Bait. Usually they have some really good stuff. If you guys are interested, check out Bait. back. We're in the clearance section. Look at this. It's like so small in here, but everything in here is 50% off. So let me show you guys some steals and deals. A little bit of Converse action. Not really a Converse kind of person, but they had these. I haven't had a chance to try these. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are they more comfortable than the Boost? I don't know. Got some white threes. Interesting. Not for me. Real quick look at the pickups of the day. Besides that big ass duffel bag that I got one personal thing for myself. The other one was just for the website. So I'm stocked up for my December drops. So we got a nice little card holder pouch thing. Got a little Eclipse piece right here. This is $3.90. Has a little side piece right here. I probably could have made this, but I was like, you know what? Let's support a small business. Yeah, so there's that. And then we also got a Bait Hawaii tee right here. It's been hard to find Hawaii merch. A lot of people have been buying like all the good sizes and like 2Xs, 3Xs, and smalls are usually left. So this is just a gift for somebody. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're probably going to do more adventure stuff today. So, I mean,
yes, sir.
This is kind of like how it is on the vlog channel, the stuff that you're gonna see next. But yeah, that's basically it, man. I'm tapped out. I spent way too much today.
A few moments later.
Yo, we were able to find some Mexican food out here, and it looks bussin'. We got al pastor tacos, a little bit of carne asada, and we also got a quesadilla. Ooh, sheesh. Bussin'. I don't know where we're at in the vlog anymore, but yeah, boy picked up a brand new Apple Watch. We got a brand new Apple Watch, baby. Brand new Apple Watch. Designed by Apple in California. I went and I got the red one. Yo, this is fire. Let's check this out. Together. Oh, you turned it on already. Oh. Wow. This is fire. Oh my gosh. Okay, little comparison. Out with the old, in with the new. We're gonna do a quick and easy red real quick. This is Holly's first time doing it.
Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried. The tears are from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. I swear I've been on my shit, I did this all with no one else. They gon' take me as a joke, but they ain't know the things I felt. I'm still trying to find my way to remove myself from all this hell. Lost too many on my soldiers, I ain't good with no farewells. Don't forget it, just forget. I still remember how they treated me. Try to knock me down, I got right up, they ain't do shit to me. Had to separate, these bitches fake, don't need that energy. They trying to keep me down, I stood my ground cause I had bigger dreams. Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried. The tears are from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. How you say you understand when you don't know the things I'm feeling? All the things I did for you, now tell me, did that have a meaning? Now I'm asking, was it worth it? I can't stop myself from bleeding. All the love you ain't deserve it, should've known you were deceiving. I can lie up in the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Steve.
ever since you left my side. All the smoke inside my lungs, all the risks to clear my mind. All I asked was for your loyalty, you fed me with some lies. Now I gotta watch you close to me, Lord knows they switching sides. Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried.